Okay.
So you be the geese and I'll be the
Vulture.
vulture or something like that. What do you think?
Alright, this is the Canadian geese. I'm gonna need you to move out of our pool.
Look, I got my wings open, man. We ain't moving out of this pool here.
Yeah, but I got a long neck, so
Yeah, but
long necks always take priority over wings.
there's a lot more about. Oh, there's car pulling up. There's car pulling up. Let's start walking a little bit.
So yeah, we're sticking in this pool because we're cool on our feet. Let's do this. We ain't scared of no car.
Well, you
We
don't
ain't
know,
scared of no car.
I've heard about birds getting kidnapped by cars like
Oh,
that. What them people are is some human trolls.
hey, what? They hand out candy?
No, but they might try to throw you breadcrumbs, and the next thing you know, you're addicted and they're kidnapping you.
I can't think of anything else.
Look, my wings open, shaking my tail a little bit.
Getting that torque on.
Yeah, like that. Nice warm out in the sun right there.
Show off.
Yeah, I'm just gonna continue to get a little tan. I just turn my skin white.
You're already black. I'm a Canadian goose. I've got a nice tan going on. I can't do a Canadian accent.
Oh, now look at this other vulture. You're trying to copy me. You got his wings open now, too. Hoser. You stinking hoser. Carl, I told you to stop copying me. Now everybody's doing it. I done started a trend over here at the bridge. Oh, now everybody's opening their wings, yeah. Everybody's doing it. Oh, yeah, chasing them around. Right, tell them get him.
The Canadian geese are passive. They are not fighting. They are not putting out their wings. They're not using their long necks to protect themselves at all.
They're smart.
Oh, no. I think there's somebody getting out of the car to come after us.
Oh no.
Ah! Everybody fly away! Everybody fly away! Fly away! Fly away!
Fly away, you got Bigfoot. You have to. Got a big man after you.
There's a weird Hulk coming after me. Camouflage Hulk.
They make a weird sound when you're walking towards them. Do you hear that? They make a little weird little sound.
That was great.